just in time for summertime cookouts. Today I'm showing you how I make very easy, creamy, southern style coleslaw. No fuss, just flavor. Welcome to New South Table. I'm Melissa, and I'm glad you're here. My Carolina roots run deep from farm life to church suppers. I cook bold and simple, just like the southern women before me. Now I'm sharing it from the beautiful South Carolina coast. Hit subscribe and pull up a seat. I'm starting with 3 to 4 cups of shredded cabbage. Now, today I'm using the store-bought kind. It's because I just don't have time to shred it myself, but I will admit, fresh grated cabbage does taste better if you've got the time. Now I'll make a creamy dressing for this, and trust me, it's very simple and perfect. I'm mixing together about a half a cup of mayonnaise. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of Splenda. That's just how I do it at my house, but feel free to add sugar here if you like it sweeter. Next, I'll add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I'm using rice wine vinegar because it's milder, but white vinegar or apple cider vinegar will work great too. Then I'll add a dash of salt and pepper. We'll give this a whisk. And I want it to be nice and smooth and the consistency of a salad dressing. If it's not smooth enough, just add a couple of tablespoons of water and it will be just fine. Now we'll pour that creamy goodness over the cabbage and toss it together until it's well coated. And that's it. A quick, creamy coleslaw that's perfect for cookouts, fried chicken, pulled pork, or just about anything. This is my version of a Southern-style coleslaw. It's easy, it's fresh, and just a little tangy and sweet. Try it and thank me later. Give me a like and a follow, and thank you so much for watching.